screw out and slide that in. Where's the...
Why aren't you a shower?
Where's the...
Man, it don't just come out though. Yeah.
Go. Let it in. All the way until it clicks. Very good. How you put screw in? Okay.
Don't condescend to me, Jim.
I'm not. Here. That's screwed up. How to do it. You're just getting to see how to put it together. Okay. Smile. Be excited.
Why? You didn't buy it for
You're in
me.
the
I
camera.
bought it. I don't like the camera. I don't know why everything we do has to be recorded.
That's because it's passing it on. Very good. Smile. Smile, you're in candid camera.
Very good.
You're in candid camera.
Okay.
Now,
This is the unlock to make that do what I want it to, where I want it to be.
Yeah.
Which I guess I get two choices. Uh-oh, I broke it. Oh shit, just that quick. Really? Oh, there you go. Oh. Check that shit
You
out.
get a whole bunch of...
I get a whole bunch of choices.
That's it. Look, pushing that in.
Alright.
Okay.
And that's got to be my turn it on trigger. That's where my battery goes.
Push that and then pull.
That's my
It locks.
adjustable.
Okay.
How do I pivot my shit? Oh, guess that's what the book's for.
I think it's in here. Does that rotate?
Ta-da-ta-da.
Okay. Make sure you use your max.
Now,
Oh,
I wanted my wheels to be able to be under here.
well, that's what you're... Once it's that way... Now you're 90 degrees.
Well, yeah, but it don't do me no good.
Well,
Because
it's
this don't turn.
part of the edging, right?
I wanted to be able to have my wheels under my weed eater. So I could just push it.
I don't think...
Yeah, I don't think so either.
I don't think you get that option.
Not with this one. They make one that's that option, but it's $100 more.
Maybe.
No, definitely, I saw it.
So the wheels
Saw it
might
on
be
the
back,
internet.
Wheels might be back here, and then so your
Could be.
Your spinner's here, and then your wheels are back here,
Could be.
like that.
I saw it on the internet because you go to the WorX.com
Yeah.
and they got all kinds of shit.
That's good. How does that pivot?
You just showed me.
Well, that's for the wheels, but this should pivot. I'm trying to figure.
Wait a minute. Let me put this back. All right, here, take it. You can play with it.
Let's see.
I don't care. You just aren't using it. It's mine.
Where's it pivoting? It's got to be a release. Where's the release for that?
stepping on it.
Hmm.
Dude's stepping on it.
Keep stepping on it
Dude's stepping on it. Don't do it.
to make it.
Don't break my shit. That's what he's doing, though. He's stepping on it. See him stepping on it? Trying to make it stand up straight.
Okay, he's stepping on, make it turn. He's stepping on it also to make it pivot 90. Oh, is there something?
Don't break my
Is there-
stuff.
Is there a release? Or electric release?
Well, dude, look. No, don't touch it.
Oh, wait a minute.
Look, if you look at this,
Are you stepping on this thing?
I don't know, but I wish you wouldn't break it.
I'm gonna leave it. Got 3 to 1.
Not if you break it, it don't.
There's a little secret here. I gotta figure out what it is.
Goes back there. There's a release
Yeah,
that allows this
the pivot.
to move.
Where is it?
I bet it's this right here. If anybody's gonna break it, it's gonna be me.
Okay.
Mine. Oh, can't get it to do it. I bet it's this right here. I bet you have to have this open in order to let it move. Ugh. Nope. That ain't it. Well, that's the lock for that. Looking like you're doing a math problem. Huh. It's gotta have to do with this.
Something to do. I want this drops, but I don't.
Maybe you can't do nothing to it until it's got a battery in it.
Okay.
No, still ain't got enough. Battery and charger. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Blower. You got the weed eater.
That's important. That's important to get it to pivot.
And it turns, no, wait. Because see, look, it turns.
No, it just says rotation of. That's just the rotation of your cable.
There's an arrow pointing that way.
I know, that's rotation. It goes that way. We have to take this, slide the wheel off first.
Read the directions.
Yeah. Oh, we are.
What you got?
Oh. Squeeze and pull. Squeeze and slide. There you go. Squeeze and slide. Let's hear that.
Take my damn wheel off.
Yeah, just a little.
Well, dude, it shows that the battery is in it when it's being moved.
Yeah, I know.
So if the battery is not in it,
Maybe it's got,
maybe it won't move.
you know, maybe it's magnetic or something. Wait, let's see. Alright. Yeah, I'm good playing with it for a little while until the battery charges up. Alright, so we're at the point right now, we're waiting for the batteries to charge, and come to find out, it takes 8 hours to charge each battery. And it does have a push-pull to show you how charged the battery is. So that's where we're at for the moment. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're at a point right now where we gotta wait for the batteries to charge, and it takes 8 hours to charge the battery. They recommend that you have it full charge before you use it, which is in any battery case. So, and right now we got the one dot, and they come 1 dot charged. And let's see, and back to the different accessories. The blower, which is about $99 by itself. The weed eater, which is about $100 by itself. The chainsaw is about $150. She said the mower is about $250. You do have a power washer, which I'm interested in. I don't know how much that is, and a hedge trimmer. So that's where we are, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and share.